There you go. There you go. There, I'll heal you. I'll heal you. Stay there.
Yeah. Oh, God damn, they popped on my face, dude. Oh shit.
was was he moving pretty fast?
Oh, that's my bad face,
Okay.
dude.
Oh shit. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah,
All right.
take
All
it.
right.
Let's go.
Oh,
Is that fixed? Oh, fixed.
there's a generator here. Yeah.
Is it fixed? No?
No, no, no. It's not fixed. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh wait, I think he's near. I hear a heartbeat, dude.
Oh,
Oh, he's here. He's there. Get out. Get out. Get out.
ah! Ah,
Is he chasing you, or is he chasing somebody else? Oh, he's chasing somebody else. He's chasing that girl.
okay, yeah.
Oh, yo, he's about to kill her.
Uh, Where is he?
He went towards your side
Oh my
on
god.
the back of the house. Yeah.
I'm fixing the generator.
Oh, they're coming! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Wait. Oh!
Oh, he's coming! He's coming! Just hide behind here. Oh, he can't destroy the generator.
Oh, motherfucker.
Oh, watch out! He's coming after you.
Ah! He got me! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh! Oh! Shh! Damn, this flashlight didn't do shit. Oh my god, he got me. Oh my god. Oh man. Oh, that flashlight's useless, dude. Oh, he hooked me. Oh my god, he's about to hook you too. Oh. Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on, unhook me, unhook me, come on. Come on, unhook me, come on. Come on.
Hey, see, I saw that. I lied. There was?
Hell no, that was useless. I flashlight made him do anything. I was like, oh my god.
Oh shit, that's funny. Oh shit.
Oh, she unhooked you. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh man, he's coming after you guys, dude. I see him.
I'm out.
Oh, get out of there, dude.
I'm in a little box.
Oh. Oh shit. He's pretty close to you, dude. He's.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I hit somebody, dude.
Oh. Oh, he's coming over here. Oh. Oh. Oh yo. He killed somebody.
Oh, yo.
Alright, she's about to get hooked.
Yeah. I'm fixing the generator. Yeah, that motherfucker just love fixing that. He no play, dude.
Yeah, he's actually pretty good. He's killing
Yeah,
like,
I took it a play, but I still got me.
he's killing a lot of us. Mm. Shit, I think he's coming behind you. I think he's coming pretty close to you, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm out, man.
Oh, he's coming your way, dude.
I'm running. I'm hiding. Damn it, he just shot my generator, fool.
Oh my god.
Motherfucker. Oh, no, he got me!
Oh,
Ah! Ah! Motherfucker! Why are you so good?
oh.
Oh, oh, oh no, my soul!
Oh damn. I was about to come
Oh
get you.
no! I got sacrificed.
Yeah, that's when you know like you died.
Oh,
Yeah.
I got sacrificed. I was speculating.
Oh.
What?
Well, you try to unhook yourself?
No, I don't know. Like, No, actually, I got hurt 3 times. No, that's alright.
Oh yeah, that's true. You did get hooked a few times.
Fuck! That nigga's good. Holy shit.
Alright, we're
I
almost
was
done. We got two more.
I was over there too. I tried to do it, but that's far, dude. Yeah.
Oh
Oh no.
fuck!
Oh no, she want buddy.
Yeah, he's
Oh
good.
no.
He
Oh my god, dude. This
did he kill one of the girl?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
the other girl right behind her too though.
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Oh, got hurt.
Oh. She
Oh my
changed.
god.
She changed up.
Yeah.
Oh no, my she left. She left him alone.
Nice. A hooker. There you go.
Oh, okay. Good. Oh no! He's got enough for her though.
Oh, one
Oh,
more.
what the hell? Yeah, she's all fast. Holy shit.
Where's that last one at?
Oh damn, she's good. Oh, but damn, but he's pretty good too though. Damn. Dude, the regular side, dude, the regular thing. Damn, boy, man. Yo, she got hurt. Yo. Yo. Okay. Come on, friend. Come on, go. Go heal her.
Shit, where's he at?
She chasing the. Oh, it's not you. It's not you.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, he's here. Oh
Oh
no.
no.
Damn, this motherfucker. He's no play, dude.
Ah, I got wiggle. Oh.
Oh no. Damn. Oh, at least they help each other out.
Oh yo.
Oh, they're both hiding together. Oh, they're healing.
Yeah, they're healing each other. I can see them all.
Damn. Oh, he's still on you, man. I see him.
Yeah, he's hiding in that. He's hiding in the house right here.
He's waiting.
Yeah, he's just waiting.
Oh, don't get baited. He's still there.
He's waiting for them to come get me.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh shit, he's coming.
Oh.
Yeah, hurry, dude. We gotta get out of here.
Ah. Where is he?
We gotta get out of here.
What? Oh, you can unlock boxes too, the hell?
Oh yeah. I think there's boxes that you can around the stage where you can unlock it.
Yeah. She's Oh no, she gonna chase. Yeah, that nigga's good, dude.
Yeah. He's actually pretty good. Yeah. So, this fucker.
Oh no!
Oh, come on, keep distracting him. This one's almost done. Come on. Oh shit.
Oh no, she got outplayed. No.
Fuck.
No, solo. No. No. Oh, this is okay. No. I was fast too. Holy shit.
Yeah, there you go. Go on hooker. There you go. On hooker. There you go. Oh shit! He sees me.
Oh, but he's smart.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh shit!
Dude, that thing is smart. He got the other girl.
Ah.
He's already.
I'm probably dead right now. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh no.
Yeah, he hooked me up twice already.
Yeah, that nigga fucking knowledge play, dude. He's like,
Yeah,
oh,
he's pretty good. He tricked me, man. I thought he was gonna go around too.
cool. I saw that, dude. I was like, oh, but that definitely hit it. That hello touch to the girl too.